Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an Apple ID with two-factor authentication and access to a trusted device. Once done, open Developer. Apple, calm and tap Sign In, use your Apple ID credentials. If you're an organization, make sure you have the admin role or an invite ready. Enter the verification code sent to your trusted device when prompted. Doing this first avoids account lockouts and ensures the portal will show the correct enrollment and team options immediately. Once signed in, proceed to enrollment or team selection. Accept any updated agreements to unlock features. If you're registering a paid developer membership, enter payment and legal entity details now so the process won't stall. For organizations, confirm your DUNS number and authorize admin invitations. For individuals, verify your personal information. Make sure to enable certificate access and App Store Connect permissions if you'll publish apps. This avoids repeating. To finish, open account in Xcode or the developer portal to create and download certificates, keys, and provisioning profiles. Install them in Keychain Access so Xcode can sign apps. Confirm your membership shows active and that App Store Connect access is granted. If you run into problems, try signing out and back in, clear your browser cache, or reset your Apple ID password. If issues persist, check Apple system status for outages. This single check often explains delays and prevents unnecessary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.